643 divided by 6 using the area model. Make sure that you have your 3 boxes for your 3 place values. Then we're going to label our place values with our hundreds, tens, and ones. Then put your 6 on the side, your 643 on the inside, and if you need, make sure you have your multiplication packs. We'll also write out our steps of divide, multiply, subtract, repeat, and check. So let's start dividing in our biggest place value. That's the hundreds place. If we have 6 babies and 6 people, everyone could only get 1 baby. But that 1 is really worth 100, which is important when we go to multiply, because 100 times 6 is 600. Then we'll subtract. That leaves us with 43, which we'll bring to our next place value. So what place value are we in now? Yeah, the tens place, and we're going to repeat and divide with the tens place. So that would be our 4 digit. If we had 4 babies and 6 people, or look, what's the closest we could get to 4 without going over? Well, 6 is already more. That means that everyone would get 0. 0 times 6 is 0. When you subtract, you still have 43, which we'll bring to our next place value. Now we're ready to repeat. Back to division. We're in our ones place, but we have some leftovers from the tens place. So we're going to see what's the closest we can get to 43 without going over. I can see that that's 42. We skip counted 7 times to get there. Now let's multiply. 7 times 6 is 42. When we subtract, we're left over with just 1. Do we have any place values left to repeat with? Nope. So now let's check. Is 1 smaller than 6? Sure is. That means that that is our remainder. Our answer comes from right here. 100 plus 0 plus 7 gives us 107 with a remainder of 1.